Like the Lano-Sahara language is one of the six African language family which we discuss today. It is, however, a language spoken by the landlocked people with over 70 million speakers. It is located in the Chari and Nile region, which includes Nubia, where the tributaries of River Nile is located. This Lano-Sahara language extends across 17 nations, which includes from Algeria in the north to Benin in the west to the Democratic Republic of Congo in the center, then to Egypt, then to Tanzania in the east. It's located in north and southern Sudan, where the rivers actually flows. It is an inter-African language which is located in the Nile Basin and the Central Sahara Desert. However, it's also a non-click language. It is estimated to predict from the African Neolithic group, with the whole Nubian being the oldest, which dates back to 5th to 15th century AD, with the Eastern Sudanic estimated to be at least 5 million millennium BC. We also have this so-called mitochondric if DNA, which means all human ancestors can be traced back to people or members of this nano-Saharan group of people, which means that people of nano-Saharan languages actually. The nano-Saharan phylum actually comprises of 130 languages grouped into a large Eastern Sudanic language branch plus 10 minor branches. A dark skin is actually one of the features being shared by the Nanos people. The Nanos people are the Nano-Sahara people. The Nano-Sahara language are actually found in the following countries, which includes Algeria, Benin Republic, Burkina Faso, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Kenya, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Sudan, Tanzania, and Uganda. While the large part of the Nano-Saharan language is actually found in Sudan. From here henceforth, we'll be looking into the major languages and the minor languages of the Nano-Saharan phylum group. Starting with the major ones, first on this list we have Kanuri with about 7 million speakers. They are actually found in the Chad Basin and it was very popular during the ancient Borno Empire. So another one, this is the Law language spoken by 4.7 million people. Actually, the third largest ethnic group in Kenya. It's mainly spoken in Kenya, in Tanzania, and it is spoken by the Law people of Kenya, and it's also known as the Dahulo language. Next on this, we have Kalenjin with 4.5 million speakers in Kenya. Then Sonye, the fourth on this list is Sonye, having 3.2 million speakers, with most speakers being in Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso. With the fifth one being Dinka, is an East Sudanic Nanos language with about 3.5 million speakers, which is basically or mainly found in South Sudan. Next on this list, we have that's the number sixth one. We have Teso with 2.3 million speakers in Uganda and Kenya. Next on the list, which is the seventh one, we have Lubara with 2.1 million speakers, basically found in Democratic Republic of Congo and in Uganda. and you can also find it in the Western Nile region. So the hate on this list we have the Nubian. I guess some of us will have heard of Nubian language. Like it's actually an ancient language which extends from the southern part of Egypt today to the northern part of Sudan. That's northern Sudan with 2 million speakers. Actually, it's a branch of Eastern Sudanic language, but due to Arabization, it is now limited to South Sudan and Egypt. List we have the Lango language. It is majorly found in Uganda with 1.5 million speakers. It's actually an East or Eastern Nilotic group of language. So we have the Akoli language. That's the language spoken by 1.2 million people in Uganda. Another one is the Newer language, a language of the Southern Sudanic people and the Ethiopian people with 1.1 million speakers. Another language on this list is the Masa language with 1 million speakers in Kenya and Tanzania. So next on this list, that's the 13th language on this list is Ungambai. It is spoken by 1 million speakers by more known people in southern Chad. This list on this next list is four that are spoken by 800 people in that province of Western Sudan. Then onto the next of the major languages being spoken in or the major language of the Nilo Sharan Phylum. We have the Tugu. It is being spoken by people in Nigeria, Niger and Chad by having about 500,000 speakers. Last and not the least, under the major Nilo Sahara Phylum with 450 speakers is the Bari. That's the Bari language from Sudan. So now we listen the minor language. We have Sunik found in southwest of Ethiopia and South Sudan with about 400,000 speakers. We have the Brata found in Ethiopia, 270 speakers. We have the Gunzu with 250 speakers. That's found in Ethiopia. Daju found in South Sudan, 250 speakers. We have the Naira with 90,000 speakers. We have the East Jabel with 50,000 speakers. And we have the Crash with 30,000 speakers. But it's also found in South Sudan. So thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified about more of our videos.